So now leaving the Fuente station. We're heading to our next station, which is the CNU station. So we're inside the CBRT bus. This can seat around 40 people. Now we're here at the CNU station. So of course this is a test run with VM and Mayor. So muna CNU station na drop off over here. So yun ang itsura. Now sila experiencing sound pag disembark sa CNU station. So, naunta sa CNU station. So, ano yung tsura dito guys? So, if you guys are waiting for a bus, boarding the bus.
Next station.
So, nakasakay na ka sa CNU and then our next stop is the Cebu South Bus Terminal Station. Turning right towards Embacalco. Doon ito sa station in front of E-Mall. So there's E-Mall. So na nag-park ito nga bus which is headed po pa doon sa Fuente. So muna magkasugat-sugat na sila. So we're leaving the Cebu South Bus Terminal Station.